You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you.
Alright guys, yeah, sorry it's been a little while, you know, kids off school and everything else, spending a bit of time with them, a bit of a holiday, but I'm back now. A few changes have happened to the Mini. I'll go out there and show you in a minute. There's one part that I've been wanting to fit onto the car since I've had it, since I put the body kit on. I don't know if you all might have watched it, but it was the JCW, the grill, the JCW grill. I got one here which I'm going to unbox, show you what's in there, and then going to go out there and get fitting it. There's also a few other parts that's going on the car in the next week or two. I haven't been able to do many because the parts are so expensive, but I've got the parts all lined up, being fitted now on the 20th by my good friends down in SWSS Mini down in Cardiff. They're going to be fitting the parts on there for me, and yeah, I'll be showing you maybe in the next video. If you could smash that like button, that'd be great. If you could subscribe, it means a lot to me. So without further ado, here we go. Okay guys, so this is the JCW grill, which is going to be fitting on the car. It's a nice gloss black one, apparently isn't here. I also got another part here which I'll be putting on the car. Like I said, these have not been fitting on the 20th. They're the daytime running lights, fog lights. So yeah, they're going to be fitted. Also I've got some air ducts coming for the JCW bumper, which I'll be going red and white on this car. I was going to go blue, but I'm going to go red and white. This is the grill. So what we got here, we have, looks like top piece. Yeah, so that's the top bar. I went for like a gloss black. I wasn't going to go matte, but the gloss would probably look a lot better. Yeah, you get that piece in the box. This piece here is the bottom. So that's up there. And then we actually have the grill part itself. Now on the chrome one that was originally on the car, the curve here is, well, it's more curved, not squared. So it doesn't fit quite in the corner of the bumper, because I was going to spray it, but then these JCW ones look much nicer. So give it to me upside down. So yeah, this is the JCW grill itself. It's quite nice. So yeah, these bottom pieces clip on, and then that bit then is screwed to the actual bonnet. The pieces you need, I've ordered one of these, which is to pop the clips off. The wife's going to give me a hand because I can't get my hand behind there. They're quite fiddly to get to, but yeah, we'll be going out there shortly, and then we'll have this fitted. Top of this grill, there's one screw here, there's two in the middle and on the end. I'll just show you on the end. So there's one there, two in the middle, and there's one on that end. The original grill doesn't quite sit in there tidy. It's got a bit of a gap here. I was going to paint it, but then the JCW would have gone nice with the bottom grill, but the bottom grill's going soon. To get these screws off up here, it's just a standard Phillips screwdriver. Like I said, there's 4 screws, and then a chrome piece comes off. This bit by here, there's little poppers. There's one there. One there. You use like a pry tool to pull those out. Clips just come off, and there's little clips along the bottom, and that should come off. Okay guys, so as you can see there, you need a pry tool to pop those out. You just pull the front off. It pops out. There's 4 of them. There's one there, one there, one there, one on the end. So there's 4, and then there's little clips, like I said, along the bottom. That should come off. So now we've got the grill off. They actually sit in these little grooves. But here, there's one there, one there, one there, one there. So yeah, they're along the bottom there. So yeah, it's these ones that stick out here. They're the ones that clip into the bottom of the bumper there. Okay, so that's the grille now installed. As you can see, it sits nicely now in the corner. It matches the bottom grille, but I'm going to be changing that. There's going to be side brake ducts there. They're going to go red, but they're to be fitted soon. But there's the grille. Let's shut it down now and that looks much nicer now instead of it being chrome. What do you think, guys? Yeah. Make sure it's shut. Yeah, that looks much nicer. Right, just for a little bit extra now, for those who are wondering what I was on about, I don't know if you can see, but I've now got a GP2 diffuser on here with the centre exhaust. The guys down at SWSS Mini down in Cardiff, they changed it from, it was a side exit, yeah, side exit. I bought a Hornet exhaust to go all the way through, so they've changed that now. They've also got all the tunnel bits that goes underneath. I don't know if you can see. Not sure if you can see it. Got the complete kit. I didn't just buy the back. That's all been done now. So I got all the tunnelling done with a diffuser, centre exhaust. Oh, also I've now got the reverse light rigged up because the old bumper had the fog and reverse in one on the back. So now the fog light and the reverse light are now all wired up. Yeah, the boys down the SWSS done that for me. It's looking quite nice now on the back. Soon to be getting a spoiler to go along here. Unsure which one to go for. I'll probably get a GP2. Also, the roof will be going red. Also the mirrors. Here she is, guys. I hope you're all enjoying, and I'll catch you on another video. Ciao, guys.